Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm going to show the crops that I'm going to sow either directly to the ground or start them inside the house under the grow light. I have here the pickling cucumber and the regular cucumber, zucchini, the summer squash, winter squash, dwarf okra, burgundy, and the spineless crimson okra. Honeydew, which is my husband's favorite. Sugar baby, cantaloupe, Georgia rattlesnake. This is huge. Orange tender sweet.